How Rose went from $0 to $1,000 a month. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak in English. Today, I've got an incredible story that will inspire you, motivate you, and maybe even change the way you think about money, success, and opportunity. Do you ever feel like you're stuck? Like you don't have enough resources to make your dreams a reality? Maybe you've been wondering how some people seem to rise from nothing and turn their lives around. Well, today, I'm going to tell you the story of Rose, a young woman who started with absolutely nothing, and in just a few months, built a side income that reached $1,000 a month. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out, said Robert Collier. And let me tell you, Rose's journey is the perfect example of this. So, if you're ready to hear how she did it, stay tuned. This story will give you the push you need to take action in your own life. Meet Rose. She's in her late 20s, living in a small apartment in Houston, Texas. Rose had always been a hard worker, but life wasn't easy. She had a regular 9 to 5 job, but after paying rent, utilities, and other bills, there was barely anything left for savings or fun. She felt stuck, as if there was no way out. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking, said William Butler Yeats. And that's exactly what Rose decided to do. She realized that if she wanted to change her financial situation, she needed to do something different. She couldn't just keep doing the same thing and expecting different results. One day, as she was scrolling through Instagram, Rose came across a post from a friend who was making money online by selling handmade jewelry. It got her thinking, what skills do I have? What can I offer? She didn't have much money to start, but she did have time, determination, and creativity. That's when Rose made a decision. She was going to start small, but she was going to take action. Rose spent hours researching ways to make money online. She didn't want to start just any side hustle. She needed something that fit her skills and interests. After some trial and error, she stumbled upon affiliate marketing, a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing, said Walt Disney. Rose took this advice to heart. She didn't waste time overthinking. She signed up for an affiliate program, created a basic blog, and started writing about products she loved. At first, it was slow. Rose wasn't making much money at all, but she kept learning, tweaking her content, and promoting her blog on social media. Every time she earned a small commission, it felt like a victory. It wasn't much, but it was a start, and it motivated her to keep going. Over the next few months, Rose took her side hustle more seriously. She attended free webinars, watched YouTube tutorials, and read every book she could find on affiliate marketing. She realized that success didn't come overnight. It came from consistent effort and constant learning. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, said Winston Churchill. And Rose had the courage to keep pushing forward, even when the progress seemed slow. She started experimenting with different strategies, writing longer blog posts, improving her SEO, search engine optimization, and learning how to drive traffic to her site through social media and email marketing. Slowly but surely, her efforts began to pay off. She started seeing more clicks on her affiliate links and, eventually, higher commissions. As the months went by, Rose's side hustle grew. She didn't just stick to affiliate marketing, she diversified. She started offering digital products, like ebooks and courses, that she created herself. She also began offering consulting services for people who wanted to learn how to start their own online businesses. Opportunities don't happen, you create them, said Chris Grosser. And Rose was creating opportunities for herself. By the time she reached her 6th month of consistently working on her business, Rose was earning $1,000 a month. It wasn't a fortune, but it was enough to cover her rent and bills, and to give her the financial freedom she had always dreamed of. She was finally able to stop living paycheck to paycheck, but more importantly, she had created something for herself. She had built a business from the ground up. Looking back, Rose knew that her success wasn't just about the money. It was about the lessons she learned along the way. She realized that persistence was key. There were many moments when she wanted to give up, when the progress seemed too slow, but she kept going. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do, said Unknown. Rose's journey taught her that success isn't about getting everything right at the start. It's about showing up every day, learning from mistakes, and continuing to take action. She also learned the importance of patience. Building a side hustle takes time, and results don't always come immediately. But with consistency, learning, and the willingness to adapt, anything is possible. So, what about you? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? You don't need a huge budget to get started, and you don't need to have everything figured out. Just like Rose, all you need is determination, patience, and a willingness to learn. If Rose's story inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a little motivation today, and don't forget to subscribe to Speak in English for more stories, tips, and inspiration to help you take action and change your life. Thank you for watching.